To know the complete procedure of photosynthesis, to know the process of nutrition in plants, to know the process of nutrition in plants. Okay, right, very good. Let's get into this. What are those experiments? Those experiments are conducted mainly to know whether there is a presence of starch in plants. For the first time, who conducted this experiment? Scientists conducted this experiment to know the presence of starch in plants. Next, primarily, then later, what are the primary raw materials for photosynthesis? Light, water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. All these are essential for photosynthesis, have been proven. So altogether 5 are completed. And then later coming to, let me repeat, 4, light, carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll. Essentiality is proven by scientists. Okay, right, very good. Then coming to next one, till here five experiments have been completed. Okay, then let us know the sixth one, where the complete relation between air and photosynthesis is conducted by means of an experiment known as mice experiment or bell jar experiment or mint plant experiment, or the experiment by means of a scientist conducted by in the presence of some sunlight and all that. The procedure is taken where the bell jar is kept and the mice is kept under that. So do remember that, and do remember that thing, and then later you can know what is the experiment behind it. Okay, oxygen evolution from plant during photosynthesis is the another one. Okay, seventh one, oxygen evolution from plant during photosynthesis. This is the plant conducted by Ingenhousz in the year 1739. He found that oxygen is evolved from plant during photosynthesis. Rate of photosynthesis changes with light. This is given by means of Engelmann. Engelmann has given a proving of this experiment, that showing that photosynthesis changes with intensity of light, or rate of photosynthesis changes with light. These are all the things that is given by experiments. Let's see in deep description of these things. Okay, experiment 1. What is starch experiment actually? Starch experiment shows that plant has starch. What is the aim? For any experiment, while you are describing it, first you have to write the aim of the experiment. Then you have to write apparatus of the experiment. Then later on you have to give description of the experiment. What is the experiment? How it is done? We have to write in experiment. Okay, and fourth, finally we have to say what is the inference of the experiment, and then later we have to write one thing, that what it is a note. If at all any experiment is done, any hazard is there, then that hazard must be mentioned in a note. Okay, coming to the experiment, presence of starch in plants. What is the need that we should say that starch is present in plants? Why? Because we can't believe everyone anything without any proof. In the same manner, scientists have said that plant is the source of energy for all the living organisms, then none has believed. But later on they conducted experiments for about 200 to 300 years nearly, and they have inferred that starch is responsible for energy from which the plant prepare its own food material by means of photosynthesis. Okay, by means of photosynthesis. Okay. Later, how is the experiment conducted? Aim of the experiment is presence of starch in plants. Then what is the apparatus used? Bunsen burner, a plant leaf, black paper, iodine solution. Black paper is not necessary in this experiment. Iodine solution or iodine tincture and betadine solution, and a test tube, methylated or ethylated alcohol or spirit should be taken. Okay, right, very good. Coming to the experiment, in the experiment the starch presence should be proven. So the plant is taken, it is stopped for about 72 hours, so that the plant gets destarched. Destarched means there is removal of starch from the plant. So destarch experiment, after destarching the plant is taken. And it is kept for 6 hours in the sunlight. It is kept 6 hours, for about 6 hours in the sunlight, where the photosynthesis procedure again comes back, and now the plant is ready for our experiment. Okay, we have to prove that what happened for the plant. Now we have to take the plant leaf. After 6 hours, the plant which is destarched has to be taken, kept in sunlight for photosynthesis sake, and that plant with 6 hours photosynthetic procedure occurred, where the plant has been under the process of photosynthesis, that leaf has to be taken and it has to be kept in a boiling water or boiling water, and then later on the flame is put off. Note, the flame is put off. Why? Because again that boiled water is taken, methylated or ethylated spirit is taken in a test tube, and it is kept in the boiling water, not under the flame. Why? Because it is highly exhaustible. What is highly exhaustible? Methylated or ethylated spirit or alcohol is highly exhaustible. What it causes? Softening of the cuticle of the leaf gets softened by means of methylated spirit or ethylated spirit or an alcohol solution. By that, later on the leaf is taken carefully by means of a brush, and it is put in a petri dish. Later on iodine tincture is added, where the green colored leaf turns into yellowish green when it is boiled and methylated spirit is added, but the leaf completely changes into bluish green color when it is given iodine tincture or iodine tincture or betadine solution. Okay, this is all what we know, that inference experiment. This color change is due to the presence of starch in the plant leaf. So inference is that, hence prove that the leaf has starch. And then later, note, Bunsen burner has to be switched off while keeping the alcohol solution in the boiled water. One note. And second note, What is the need for applying alcohol? It softens and removes the cuticular layer of the leaf. That is the first experiment. In the same manner, coming to the essentiality of four raw materials of the photosynthesis like light, carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll, we going into deep discussion. Every experiment what we are doing, we have to remove that essentiality from the plant, so that we have to prove the plant has a need of that element. Okay, right, very good. Coming to light is essential for photosynthesis. What is light? Why is light essential? Light is essential for photosynthesis because light helps in photosynthetic reaction procedure. It breaks down water molecule into hydrogen and also oxygen molecules in the light reaction procedure. So light is very essential for photosynthesis. But how we will believe that we don't believe unless until the scientists prove with an experiment. So scientists conducted these four experiments for say. For any experiment of these four, we have to say that plant the same similar experiment, destarching, starching, all that should be done. Okay, right. Let's get into the second one. Why light is essential for photosynthesis? Aim of the experiment is light is essential for photosynthesis. We have to prove, and then later aim, apparatus, and then later experiment.